Dr. Oxygen generator does not need battery or electricity and has a long shelf life. Dr. Oxygen, a small and a light gadget, is not only for the hospitals but for every other public places and health centers, school, gym, clubs, and I would say every home. It is very affordable and a must-have.
Kinong ilam kasang Meghalaya People's Social Organization kibakan thobi kakong M1 yang kum ka president kakong East Imli kum ka secretary harangkat kakong Waik Harmaulong bar harangkat kid khot jongkate kaseng kilalai banno senyang jingirap sasha ki santli kisnong kibasha khapot baka jala Assam kibasha ka thain siang kibakan thobi kasnong amdubigat ampreng amjong markhang duba bar kasnong maska dagaba kila ai jingkershan sakite kisnong dagi marbam kumukhaw uphan kompanyang bat kiwe habakhen kulum baro kilongyeng kibadok jongkite ki santli kisnong kiblayo mat yakate ka jingirap jongkate ka seng kidon kumba palat spa tli kitrumyeng bat kane kalairap shikadei yakite ki longyeng kibadok kibakerdo jongkite kisnong ya kite ki marbam lawan ban shimti dai kirang ba snong jongkite ki santli kisnong bakin penpoi pat sakitu ki longyeng kibadok kibadei hok banyo yakate ka jingiram.
So first of all, I want to thanks to our madam and alls. They are coming from NGO department, MPSO. So they are coming to help us during this lockdown time. So they are bringing this rice, potatoes, and dal and oil also for our this backward side. Amdubikat, Ampreng, Markhangdoba, Amjong, and Moska. 5 village side means they are helping us, so that only if we cannot able to give anything also from our mind, from our heart, we are thanks for them. So that only this much only I want to say.
NGO kila ai sewa ya kaniga sansnong di sini Ampreng, Markhangdoba, Amdubikat, but Amjong, Moska. Nangta don sakmat di Panbari, Snong Panbari ru. Tingila yo priang naka sansnong kila ai sewa kila bu ya kani namarba akapor lockdown de kila ai sewa na seng ngiru priang sewa ngiru namarba stom rajing stom hatu kata nglaban patai te hakapor lockdown de te ngila sew kemen sibun kat kumba pha khubor jongphi te ngiru yo ban khubor dakaba byang tangba khukha ngila ya kandu ya patphi te minin ngila yo khubor te pila wan bu uta daga seng di min up ngila priang sew bah sibun takani ka tin ngala priang sew bayap